Assalamualaikum friends, here is Corel Draw Mega Pack all in one. Here is logo, banner, poster and icon, etc. everything in these folder, but these are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is Telegram channel. Subscribe me, share your skip feature for latest notification of any video. Okay, here is Spanish language. I don't know. Animal. Here is 35 files. Here is 4 and here is 33. Okay. Next is here is animal. Now game, flares, fruit, music, just one. Okay, debate. Oh, Brazil. Here is 153 files. Design of shoes. Next is here is a flower design. Oh, just simply design. Here is 58 files. High limit. Last year version files. Okay, 5 and here is 7.17.4. Okay, you can run on X5. No, I can. Fashion. Here is 133. Here is icon. Tablet. Okay. Related medical. Here is 31 file. Oh. Okay. Next is here is 49 folder. Cars. Oh. Next is, so you can check one by one. Here is 28 folder. Next is 8 folder. Hues. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and password in this app. Bye now. For lifetime, take care. Allah Hafiz.